So I think we learned that while the built-in visualizations that we have in Palantir were really fantastic at analyzing a lot of these scenarios in this particular challenge, one of the biggest challenges for using our mostly static visualizations was analyzing the evacuation scenario, which involved a lot of basically animation, movement over time. And so we saw a lot of terrific visualizations here. Personally, we really love the staining work, where they use stains to identify and then backtrace the participants in the evacuation. And so it would be interesting for us to think about, or at least for me as a computer science geek, to think about how we could generalize that. What principles could you take away from the visualizations we saw here, the solutions we saw here, to solve that kind of general movement over time analysis, and how we could apply those in our product and in general.
Yeah, and I think just to talk about what other people have told us too, like it looks like everybody has learned something through the process of running through this challenge and working through the realistic problem, again, thanks to the creation of the wonderful data sets we have. And also that it's really, Don said it nicely, this is a multidisciplinary team, teams and community, really. I mean, you could see from the papers that we have that people come from many, many different disciplines, and we still have to work together in a better way. So the next question is it worth it? So you could just go like this, or comments as you like.
Well,
not much.
Well, from the student standpoint, I've been very lucky to study under Drs. Chen and McEachran. So they've been part of the community, and I have more than enough to read, and I had the benefit of a visual analytics class. But still, there's just something about trying to work the problem that helps relate it back to reality. So even the mini challenges, I think I would recommend anybody just play with it. It's a fun set of data that sort of exposes a lot of problems.